everyone, welcome back. For those who are new, my name is Carrie and today we are going to do another unboxing video, and this time it's going to be the Skylight Calendars. This was my birthday present for my mom and my sister, so thank you guys again. Just a little side note, this is not sponsored, although I wish it was. But I'm so excited to set this up. So I will say, it is just me and Anthony in the household along with our two cats. But I feel like we're always doing so much between like work, outside activities like working out, community type stuff, scheduling and managing my YouTube schedule, stuff like that. I'm super excited to unbox this, set it all up, and see how it is. Okay, let's go ahead and unbox this. I love that it says hello organization. I think that is so cute. I'm so excited to set this all up. We have the calendar right here. It says let's take on the day. We're gonna go ahead and put it up on the wall. So I'm gonna get Anthony to help me. Inside, just have little leave us a review and then a little quick start guide to show you the different things that it offers, what you can do, how to install it on the wall, stuff like that. Here we got the bracket to put it onto the wall. And then here we have the adapter to plug it in. Like that they give you some nails and wall plugs to do that. It looks like there's another thing. I'm not sure if there's either two brackets or depending which way you do it, like horizontal or vertical. If like part A does one of them, part B does another. I don't know, we'll figure it out. Okay, and then there's this one, which I don't know what that does either. Let's go ahead and put this up on the wall.
Well, do you want to center this first?
Yeah, it's like, okay, well, I feel like this is about centered.
Out center, or do you want to measure exactly center? Like
fine, you can do exactly center. Like this.
There, yep.
Yeah. All right, you guys, we got it all set up and plugged in. We're gonna take this off. And we're gonna go ahead and set up the Wi-Fi. Awesome, it's gonna go ahead and download some stuff. All right, welcome to Skylight. I'm so excited, you guys. I need to download the app on my phone. It's been about a month since I first set up my Skylight. I'm so excited and I'm absolutely loving it so far. Now that I really know how to use it, let me walk you through everything that you can do with it. So the first thing are the basic calendar features, such as adding events, viewing the calendar, color coding, and recurring events. So the first one is adding events. Make sure you're on the calendar tab, and then you go to the plus, and you can go ahead and type in whatever event that you want. So say you had dinner, say that was like on Wednesday, and then you can change the time to say 6 p.m. Once you set up your different profiles, you can say, hey, both of us are going to it. Repeat, countdown, whatever you want to do, and then you click save. The next one is viewing the calendar. So with the calendar, you can view it as monthly, so you can see everything for the month. You can view it as weekly if you just wanted to see the week, which this is my favorite view. And then you can also see the day if you did want to do like the day. And then what you can do with the week as well is if you go to settings, you can adjust it. So for calendar, it's on the week view, start on current day, which I like that because if you didn't start it on the week view, say it was Wednesday, it would look just like this. So then you'd see like these 3 past days plus only 3 of the following. But I like to be able to see it so that like on Wednesday, it'll show Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. So you can kind of see the week ahead because I don't really need to see what already happened. You can also change how many you want to see. So if you only wanted to see like the first 3 days, you can do that as well. But that's for the schedule view, so you can see the week and how you want to do that. But I don't really like that. I like this one because you kind of see a snapshot. On the mobile app, everything is basically the same through there. This is where you can set up your profiles. You have email integration where you can forward different calendar invites to your Skylight email. Or if you just sync your calendar email right to the Skylight, then if you put a new event on the Skylight, it'll show up on that calendar that you sunk. Or vice versa, if you add something through your calendar app, whatever calendar that's in sync with your Skylight will appear there. And then you can also set up multiple users. So for us, obviously it's only me, Anthony, and then joint things for stuff that we have to do together. And then you can assign different colors per your profile. And then once you add new events or when you add tasks, you can assign it to the different profiles, which is really cool. And then say, for example, we have Chinese tutor. Say you want to set it up as a recurring event. You can go ahead and do repeat, and then every week on the same Saturday, you can end the repeat, say if it like is gonna end next June, or you can just keep it indefinitely. One of the biggest reasons why I wanted the Skylight calendar is because of the chores and lists. Also the meal planning that's in the Skylight Plus edition. In the free version, you have tasks. So if you go here, you can see we have Anthony, Carrie, and then joint things that we need to do together. With that, it's the same thing. If you want to add a task, you can do this. Clean floors. You can add an emoji, which we love to do. It's easier to do on the app since you can search what emoji you want. And then say we want Anthony to do that every week. You can repeat that every week, every 2 weeks. Repeat on whatever day you want, and then we set that up. As you've probably seen in my previous videos of us checking off a lot of the chores that we have to do, once you're all done, you can check it off. Make bed, say he did the trash, and when you complete all of your chores for the day, then you get a little yay, completed all your tasks with a little emoji. This is why it's perfect for kids, because you can set up routines, and I'll show you on the app as well, but you have a chore, which can be something that's like, you know, every so often, but then you can also have a routine. So it's like, hey, routine, brush your teeth, and then you can do oh, it's right here. I'm done. Okay. So say you want to do brush teeth. You want it to repeat every single day, and you want it in both the morning and the evening to make sure that they're creating good habits. Say you want to assign it to both of us to make sure we do it. You can add it, and then you'll see your morning tab, and then also your evening tab. So you can also filter of which ones you want to see. So like morning, evening routine. Obviously, like routine for us is make the bed. But then if you just want to see your chores, you can see, okay, well, my chores is my future me letter, and Anthony already did his. You can also filter so that you can see late ones or not late ones, but we want to keep them there to make sure we always do it. And then completed tasks, so we can see that one as well. For the list, you also have grocery lists that you can add from, and you can add it in the categories or like to-do lists. But I like the task one because I like assigning emojis, and it's just really fun and cute. That is basically everything that's included in just the basic free version. I know it's not as much, you know, you can see your calendar, you can add events in, and you can do basic chores. Okay, so now we're going to talk about everything that's included in the Skylight Plus feature. The Skylight Plus feature is available for $79 a year or for just about $7 a month, so you can pick however you want to pay for that. Once again, we did upgrade because there are a couple more features that I didn't realize I really wanted that were included in the Skylight Plus, so let's run through those. The first thing are photos and messages. So as you can see, we can add all of these different photos. You can add them directly in from your phone. You can use that one as a screensaver, or if you just want all of your photos, which all of mine are here that include not just the cats, you can add that in as well. You can also give your Skylight email to friends and family. They can send photos to that email and it'll be directly uploaded to Skylight, which is really cool. So I know my mom sent me a few pictures of us together and uploaded it to our Skylight. And once the screen goes to sleep, then all the pictures will kind of play as a little slideshow. You'll be able to see the date and time in the corner as well. Another thing you can do is send text messages or little notes. In the app, whoever has access to your calendar can write little notes, and then it'll pop up, I assume, on the screensaver so that you can see those notes. Say if somebody was on a business trip, wanted to send like a hey, miss you, or hey, sending you $20 for dinner, that would show up on the Skylight for whoever at home to see. Another really big thing is the magic import. For the magic import, if you had in your email all of these different events, or like if you had a child's school calendar with all of their events for the month, you'll be able to take a picture of it or email it to your Skylight, and then it'll basically use AI to extract everything and have it all set up in your calendar for you. To be honest, we don't use that a ton just because we don't have kids yet, and a lot of the stuff that we need, we can just manually import it through our phones or right on the Skylight itself. The other thing is though, if you have recipes, so I know my mom has like this delicious lasagna recipe, but it's written down on like a physical piece of paper. You can snap a picture of it, use magic import through the Skylight app, and then it will basically show up in one of your recipes. We haven't done that yet, but that was just an example. Or if you found this recipe, so like this one we found online, you can send the URL to the Skylight link as well, and then it'll basically extract everything such as ingredients and instructions right into the Skylight app for you. The meal planning feature is one of my favorites so far. So once you import and plan out what all your meals are, you can basically have all of these ingredients sent to your grocery list through the app, and then in the app you're able to also use AI to sort it based on like where it's located in the grocery store. So it'll upload everything and add it to your list, and then you basically organize it and it'll sort it out from like pantry, meat and seafood, household items, dairy, etc. You get the point. Which I also really like because you know exactly what you need to buy, what recipe it's for, and when you're at the store you're not running back and forth between different aisles, so it just creates efficiency overall. Okay, the last thing that is really cool for the Skylight Plus edition is being able to set rewards. So as you can see, we haven't set them up just because there are no kiddos in our household, so we don't really feel the need to do it. Although we have thought about it just because we can set little incentives for ourselves. So basically with that, through the app, you can create a custom reward and assign stars. So say there's a monthly chore of like cleaning the fish tank, something that we really need to do. We can assign that specific chore a certain amount of stars. So say we do it as like 10 stars. And then once you complete that, you can set a prize option for as many stars as you want. So say our prize option is 120 stars. That means we need to clean the fish tank continuously for 12 months, and then we'd be able to redeem that reward. You can also adjust the rewards to either have them be redeemable again or have them only be like a one-time reward. So something else is like, hey, movie night is 50 stars, and you can just assign random household chores at like 1 star per chore, and then once you hit that, then we can go see a movie or, you know, whatever. But it's super helpful with kids, obviously, because it incentivizes them to do their chores and routines. Okay, so as you can see, this is our screensaver, and it's gonna start going through all of the photos. You can shuffle them or do them in chronological order. I think my favorite part of the Skylight is being able to do the photos because my mom has the Aura frame, and so all of us kids will upload photos to her Aura frame. So I love being able to have that feature as well. My next favorite thing is the meal planning. We've always been saying we want to do the meal planning. We want to make meals and eat healthier and not be buying food, but this makes it a whole lot easier, especially upgrading to the Plus. You can basically have AI import meals for you too. And then the final thing is just being able to see the calendar view. I'm very organized and I like to make sure I know what's happening when and make sure that I don't forget it. It takes a lot of the mental load off of me and allows us to just kind of live and have everything be on our Skylight. That's about everything that I have for you guys for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye! Super excited. Thanks. Okay, yeah, I'm just gonna stop talking. Testing, check. 1, 2, testing. Synced, song.